Students, how are you all? Hope you are all fine. What are you all watching here? What do we have here? We have a empty mug, empty glass, empty cup, empty jar. But the jug is heavy. The jug is heavy. Why it is heavy? It means it has something in it. The liquid is in it, the water is in it, and we can say it is heavy. Let me put some water in this glass. So what do we say now? So we can say this is the capacity. If I'll pour more water, that will fall down, that will spilled here. Okay, so we can say this is the capacity of this container. Now let me move to the course book. But before moving to course book, let me tell you what is the meaning of capacity. The amount of liquid a container hold. This is a container, as you know. So the amount of liquid in it is called the capacity. So this is called capacity. And you know, we have two units, small l and small ml. This is for smaller things, smaller quantity, and this is for larger quantity, bigger quantity. Now we'll move to the book. We have a question here. The capacity of a glass is 50 ml. Write the capacity of each vessel as per the number of glasses shown in each. One has been done for us. So these are vessels, these are utensils. This is a bowl, this is a bucket, this is a jug, this is a bottle, and this is a mug. And we have number of glasses. For example, here they have shown us there are 3 glasses. So we can fill 3 glasses of water in this vessel. The quantity is same. If we put water in this and we will pour that water in these 3, that will be equal. Or if we'll put water in these 3 glasses or liquid, that will be equal to the quantity of this vessel. Same way, here we have 10 glasses. Now we will do accordingly. So what is the first question? So this is vessel bowl, and number of glasses is equal to 3. As we know, they have shown in the book the capacity of each glass is 50 ml. So capacity of each glass is 50 ml. Now what to do? So I have 3 glasses, I have 50 ml each glass, and we have to find the capacity of this bowl. So the capacity of a bowl is to find. We have to find this. So how will we find? Let me see. Let me put, we have number of glasses 3. So we can say 3 groups. 3 groups. And the capacity of each glass is 50. So we can say 3 groups of each 50 ml. Now what to do? So we can say 3 into 50. So let me put it here. 3 into 50 or 50 into 3 are alike. They are same. So 3 zeros are 0. All the time, remember, whenever we multiply 0 with any number or any number with 0, we will get only 0. So then 3 fives. So this is second step. 3 fives 15, and it was in milliliter, so it will be milliliter. This was the multiplication statement. Let me do the addition statement. If I have 50 ml, 3 groups, each 50. So 50 plus 50 plus 50. So it will be 150 ml. So we can say the capacity, the bowl has a capacity of 150 ml. Now the second question is, a bucket has a capacity of how many ml? So we have to find. Let me see. So this is a bucket. Number of glasses is equal to 10. And each, so we can say 10 groups each of 50 ml. So we have to multiply 10 into 50 or 50 into 10. They are also alike. So first we will multiply with 0. 0 zeros are 0. Again this 0 5s are 0. Now I have this one now. So when I move at second position on this, so we also have to move in the answer at the second position. So we have to leave the first column. We have to put cross like this. So 1 zeros are 0. As we know, anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Then 1 5s are 5. So this 0 and cross will come 0. This 0 and 0 in addition we will get only 0. And this 5 will come down. So this is 500 ml. Or half liter. They are equal. Also, if we'll do addition, we have to do this 50 10 times. So we have to write 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will be more hectic for us. So we'll do the multiplication part in it. We'll not prefer addition, so that we'll save our time to do by the multiplication method. Hopefully you can do rest of the questions yourself. For example, we have a jug. How many glasses are there? There are 7 glasses. So we have 7 groups each of 50. So we have to multiply 50 by 7 or 70 by 5. This 50 by 7 or 7 by 50. Here we have a bottle. Here we have 5 glasses. So 5 glasses each having 50 ml. So we can say 5 into 50. Here we have 4 and we can multiply 4 into 50. Let me move to the another question. So here we have a question. Write the names of 4 objects in each whose capacity is more than 1 liter. Just see. We will take an example of this jug. So jug is having more than 1 liter. So jug or jar, tank or drum. So these can be more, they can carry more than 1 liter. And for example, spoon, glass, cup or small cylinders. They can carry in milliliters, or we can say less than a liter. Okay. Now the question is, first estimate and then find the actual capacity of the containers given to your group. So here we are not able to do this activity as we are not in the school, but you all will do it at your home. You will choose different containers which are available at your home, like jug, glass, spoon, mugs, or any other open utensil, and then you will estimate. For example, if I'll take an example of jug, I can say it may be 2 liters. It may be 2 liters. But when I measure it, it may be 2.5 liters. So that is called actual capacity. Okay. So accordingly, you will do rest of the parts yourself. You have to do this activity yourself. Now we have a question here. We have to do addition. All questions are addition. Okay. So now what to do? As you know, as I already told you, in units we have to see the unit first. So they are alike unit. ml. So ml will come here. Here also ml come. Here L means liters. So liter will come down. Same unit will come down. Now we have to do the addition. For example, first part is 50 ml plus 25 ml. Now we'll do addition. So as you know, ml and ml are alike. So ml will come down. 5 and 0 is only 5. 5 and 2 is 5, 6, 7. So this is 75 ml. Now we'll take another part. This is 58 liters plus 35 liters. So here we have a unit liter. So liter will come down, liter. So 8 and 5 we have to add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have to write 13, but we cannot write 13 directly. We'll put 3 only. This one will go here. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 93. Hopefully you can do rest of the parts yourself.